Hello, myself Sushma Raj. I am from Bihar. Right now I am staying in Noida. I have done my B.Tech from Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. I saw so many jobs as a fresher in electronics sector, but after doing some research I couldn't find any good opportunity. I thought join IT company after searching. I come to know about Evision Technoserve and as IT recruitment outsourcing company in Evision. I had joined job internship program on 14 December 2020. After joining Evision, I got basic knowledge of IT like networking, window administrator, CCNA, cyber security, cloud computing, and ITIL. In network, I learned basic networking like devices, media, virtualization, VMware workstation, and in window administrator tool, I have learned about task scheduler, share folder, event viewer, disk management, disk cleanup, BitLocker, and I have learned in Windows Server as well as Active Directory, Domain Server, Domain Controller, DHCP Server, Windows Server, FTP, and DNS. Learn about mailing system as in Outlook. Learn about troubleshoot of mail network operating system and server and hardware. Black printer all of done with NCCNA, and I got theory plus practical knowledge about IP addressing, subnetting process, static and dynamic routing. Under dynamic routing, I have learned about RIP and EIGRP and learn about ACL, net backup recovery, WAN concept, frame relay, and PAP and CHAP authentication devices security, and remote access switching technology, VLAN and cabling and wireless concept also. In cyber security, I have learned about types of cyber security, how hacking perform, Linux command in security, and next is cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Why we use cloud computing and benefits of cloud computing. And I have learned in ITIL is version 3 and IT service life cycle. I think every practical is equivalent to IT company experience. Main part to gain our confidence is our mock interview and PPT presentation in every well concept on cover topics. So I come to know about my mistake and gain confidence to how to give answer in real time interview. So I am very confident to show my skill in real time interview and will crack the interview in one attempt. Thank you Evision for helping me to develop myself in this sector.